Above all, Om Flow is a way of reconnecting to yourself, accepting and appreciating what is in each moment of your life. So check in with yourself. We start by placing our hands on the heart and belly. Flex your knees slightly, close your eyes, and just take 2 deep breaths. Then you bring your hands together and just rub it. Just make some fire in here. You can allow your weight to shift from one foot to the other, so you don't get too stiff all the time. Like I said, Om Flow is organic movement flow. So find organic flow. And now what we do is, as you breathe in, you bring it up. Breathe out, back. So you're working with synchronizing movement and breathing. Breathe in and out. One more time, in and out. So how can we use this simple movement to create connection? In, out. Then from this level of the belly, you breathe in open and out. Make sure you flex your knees a little bit and breathe in and out. And now in one side, out. Other side, in, out. You can breathe out through your nose or mouth as you wish. In, out. Now we go to this side, in, and out. In, out. In, out. And then both arms up, in, very slowly out. Okay, so we start integrating the breathing with the movement to get a sense of energy, a sense of grounding. Thank you for joining the practice today. This was one of the elements that I work in my class, among many others, as it is a holistic movement practice. Every week it can be different. So I hope to see you in the next practice.